What's up, guys? If you are a front-end developer, a back-end developer, full stack, or whatever you want to call yourself, you're gonna need to work with request API, request data through REST API sometimes. So let's say that you don't know how to build a back-end system or a content management system for your clients or for the company that you are working. So you are just the front-end developer and you know JavaScript really well and you know how to make requests. So why not to use WordPress as the backend system, with the concept of headless CMS? So that's amazing. You can use the many features that WordPress provides to us, and you can customize them without have a theme. So you don't need a theme. You're gonna work headless. You only gonna need the data, and the data is available in the WP API. So I created a test page, for example. And if I search on Google for endpoint WP API for pages, let's imagine that I want to get the data from this page or for all the pages to create a grid in a landing page, for example. So I'm going to search again endpoints. I have WP v2 pages, but you can check here also carefully. You're going to need the WP JSON, which is where the WP API lives. Now we have JSON, the same JSON that other CMS provide to the clients, which are the JavaScript applications. We have also in WordPress. If you install the advanced custom fields, we're going to have plenty of fields that you can customize for your needs, and you can request them all through this. I work with Angular and I use route and link, use a snapshot to get the infrastructure from WordPress, the hierarchy, and the Angular application works really well. You can use with React, Vue, or whatever you want to work with. A JavaScript feature that is really important is make a request to the APIs and then display them in a page. Let's say, for example, that you have this here, so let's just create a fetch and search for what? For a string, this one. I'm gonna get all the pages, not just this one. If it was just to get the one that I was talking about, well, I only have one here, but I just have to pass the ID of 5. It's a way to get only one page. Let's say as soon as the user clicks on a inner page of your website. So let's say fetch them resp.response of response, and then rasp.json, and then we're going to place the JSON here in another arrow function. We're going to create a console just to show the JSON here. I have to convert the response from to JSON. What I have here is one array with one item, and then if I put here, for example, the title and then render it, okay, that's the structure. I have an error here, render it. Okay, we have an error here. Come down. Let's put JSON dot. Oh, gotcha. Why? Because we need the position of 0 of this array. Dot title, render it, and then we have test here, which is the same title of our page. It works the same way with custom fields and custom post type as well. And then let's say that I want to add a document query selector. I'm gonna create one item over there, title, and the HTML of this title will be the JSON title rendered. And in my body, I'm gonna put here the title. Press title just for demo purpose. Now I misspelled here. Rendered. The same error as before, sorry for that. And voila. Of course, Sometimes we don't use this because we are integrated dynamic, okay, through a loop of items, and then you can display whatever you want. The thumbnail image, we have many parameters. You can hook to the WordPress API endpoints and create our own customize. We can customize, and that's it for today. Hope you like it. Please, if you enjoy, subscribe, and don't forget, I'm gonna come up with a lot of different solutions for many different issues that we face in our daily routines as a developer. See you in the next lesson or course, I don't know.